This video is going to quickly walk through how variables work in subprograms. So the program I've actually got showing on the window is setting a variable called x to the word awesome, and then the def my function is the way I tell Python that I'm making a subprogram. To call the subprogram, I just type the name of the subprogram that I want to run. So when I run this, what I'm expecting is for Python to output Python is, and then replace the plus x with the word awesome. And it has done that. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to add a line into the function. The line I'm going to add is I'm going to change the value of x to the word fantastic instead of awesome. Okay. I'm also going to copy this line down and print it outside of the function. So what this should now do is set the variable to x to awesome, run the function that I've defined here, and then print another message again. So let's run that this time. Okay, so even though I've changed x here to fantastic, it's still using this x as being the one at the top. So you can see that because I've selected the x here, look, this one is lighter than these two, which means that this one inside the function is something called a local variable, whereas this one outside the function is something called a global variable. The local variable will take preference over the global variable in the subfunction, in the subroutine, the subprogram. If I want my function to actually work on the global version of x here, what I have to do is I have to tell it to do that. The command line for that is global x. So that is saying inside my subprogram, anytime I say x, I now mean the same x as outside. So as you can see, all the x's are now the same color. So if I run that again, I now get the output I was expecting because that line on line 5 changed the global version of x, which is the one from outside the subfunction, the subprogram, to actually work.